Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this look. It is a DIY wedding guest look, but like classy look, not too over the top. So let's get into the video. Starting with my primer, my MAC. The primer, it's MAC. A little bit on the brush. See me staring because I've got my hair and it's not right angle. There we go. I'm just gonna. Oh, you're 20 viewer. I'm gonna put that rub that into my face. Rub it everywhere you do. And last one on the side. Gonna do it on the other side. And this one. Depends on what coloured dress you're wearing and everything, and you can so I'll put that into my face, so that's been done. I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going with the Revolution, and I'm just going to plaster on my face. Not plaster, but I'm going to do the lines. Do it on the other side, on my chin, on my nose, and all around everything. And then I'm going to go with my large damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend that out. If you see me, I'm looking down here at the mirror. I'm just going to blend that out. Dabbing it around my face. I'm going to do that on the other side. You're looking at, I'm looking here. Dab that in. Put a bit more on because it seems like it's not showing up. Oh. I'm just gonna dab that in. Make sure it's dumped in. So that's that. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer and maybe little dots. So that's that. I'm going to go in small damp beauty blender and just blend that out around my eyes. Down around, and I'm going to do it on same on the other side, and dab that around. Pardon me. That's that. And then I'm going to go in with my true matte setting stuff. And I'm gonna do it on this end of the beauty blender. And I'm just gonna put some underneath my eye. Basically on the places that I've just, what's the word called? In places I've just basically put fake today. So I'm just gonna let that fake. And then I'm gonna go on with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna basically, I saw someone else's that like feather them upwards. So just feather them upwards. And that's that. But everyone's different, they do. So that's that. Then I'm going to go with my fluffy brush and basically wipe off all the excess powder. That's that. Now I'm going on with my contour. It depends on how dark you want or anything like that. So I'm going to go in with this colour here. And this is my, just going to dab it a little bit, but I'm not going to do it too harsh. So this is one I need like very little. You don't want it going for a cast look because you don't want it too in your face, but still classy, if you get what I mean. So, not like that. So that. And then we go back in with this one. We get the blush. I'm going to soften it up a bit. And that's that. And it's optional to you if you want it on your nose or not. So that's that look. And the next step is our eyes. So I'm going to go for like a sort of bronzy look. So I'm going to go in with them. And I'm going to first go with it's called Foxy. There's my base colour. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And that. And then I'm going to go in with, it's called Copper, that colour. And I'm just going to Put that on the inner corners of my eyes. Do that with the same other side. And then I'm going to blend it into my crease. I'm just going to use this little mirror here to make sure I have. So I've done that side. And now I'm going to go in with on here. I've got a colour, it's called Snake Bite on the outer corners. I'm going to tad a little bit. I'm just going to tap that in. And do the same on the other side. Just going to tap that in. Now I'm going to get the rest over underneath the eyes. Nice that look. And then I'm going to go in with then I'm going to go in with this glitter stuff and your tinsy bit. And that dilly bit. And then I'm going to take this brush again. I'm just going to blend it in a bit. As I was doing my eyes, sort that out. Yep. Now I'm going to go in with some of these. They're like luminous dots. I'm just only using 2, but they are called the Luminous Makeup London. These are the like thingy-majiggies. I don't know how you say it, but I'm just gonna dab them in with my finger around my eyes. And I'm gonna do around here, and I'm just gonna rub them in down my nose, around my nose here. That's that. Then I'm gonna go in with my Revolution brush, and then I'm gonna go with this highlight here. It is called Out of My World. Sorry about that, my dog decided she wanted to basically move her bone around. That's that, and now I'm going to go in with my 2 mascaras, and if you want to wear are lashes. You can wear lashes with this, or if you want to go for the natural look, do mascara. Just looking in the mirror here to do mascara. But it's depending up to you if you want to have big lashes, natural lashes, anything like that. So that's that. Oh. So it is totally up to you. And if you have any questions or any comments, anything, leave them down below in the comments bar and I will get back to you when I can. But that's the eye look. And for the finish look, I'm going to go in with a Revolution matte lipstick, and it's like a nudie colour, and it is called Empire. It's like a pinky nudie colour. And the last but not least, my setting spray. And that's it. And then here is the finished look. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you like all my videos, and I hope that it will get bigger. Thank you.